Mattis with Sterling Machinery Exchange. We've been buying, selling, and trading new and used equipment such as press brakes, grinders, lathes, shears, punch presses, and much more since 1954. Today we're going to go over a nice insertion press machine. This is made by a company of Haeger. It's a 6-ton press. Really simple, actually has a bowl feeder and a ton of tooling. I'll show you all those little things right now. Just show you the cycle. You can see here's the vibratory feeder over here. You can set your different rates. Depending on the feed system that you're going to have with it, you'd have your pieces in there. And you have a feeder right here that you'll hear the air is going to shoot, and that was what will shoot your feeder right into your part, and you'll have your part there every time after your cycle. Now depending on what you're going to be making, you'll have all types of here. You can see the tooling, the different anvils, different tops and bottoms for the different types of stuff you're going to insert. As well as right up here, take a shot. Somebody took a really nice care, put everything together. All the different parts for the different slides and setups will be in here that come with it. Everything you see comes with this machine. So we have the machine running. It's got a simple counter right here. We're in the run mode. We'll just hit the foot pedal. You'll notice as soon as it finished the cycle, the air shot out. That's what's going to go ahead and bring your next part to the anvil. You can increase or decrease your pressure right here. Machine's working great. If you're looking for one of these, or if you have one for sale, you're looking to buy, sell, or trade any type of industrial equipment, please give us a call, 626-444-0311. Check out our website for some great financing options and a complete inventory at sterlingmachinery.com. Thank you.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery, such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor, or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311 and our educated staff can find the right machine for you.